Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Citi Strata Premier Credit Card, one of Citi's most talked about travel cards in 2025. Now I know there are hundreds of credit cards out there, cashback cards, premium travel cards, beginner cards, you name it. So why is the Strata Premier getting so much attention this year? Well, this card sits right in the sweet spot. It's not an ultra luxury, high fee product like some premium travel cards, but it's also not a bare bones beginner option. Instead, it offers a real balanced mix of rewards, travel perks, and affordability. Now, let's talk about the card in details. Think of this card as Citi's mid-tier travel rewards credit card. It's designed for people who want to earn great rewards, not just when they travel, but also on their everyday spending. Things like groceries, gas, and dining. This is really important because a lot of travel cards only reward you heavily when you're actually on the road or booking flights and hotels. The Strata Premier is different because it rewards you for both daily life and those bigger trips. Another thing that makes this card stand out is that it's part of the new Strata lineup. Citi recently revamped its reward cards, introducing the Strata family to replace and upgrade some of their older products. The Premier sits right in the middle of that lineup. On one end, you have the $0 annual fee version with more basic features, and on the other end, there's a premium elite version with luxury perks and a higher annual fee. But for most people, the Premier strikes the right balance: good rewards, useful perks, and an annual fee that doesn't break the bank. So let us talk about the main features of this card now. The reward structure. You earn up to 10 times points per dollar spent on hotels, car rentals, and attractions that are booked on cititravel.com. You also earn 3 times points per dollar spent on air travel and other hotel purchases. On the other hand, you earn 3 times points per dollar spent at restaurants. You also earn up to 3 times points per dollar spent at supermarkets, 3 times points per dollar spent on gas and EV charging stations, and 1 point per dollar spent on all other purchases. This is a great reward structure. Another benefit is the $100 annual hotel benefit. Once per calendar year, you enjoy $100 off a single hotel stay of $500 or more, of course excluding taxes and fees, when you book through cititravel.com. The benefit is applied instantly at the time of booking. It's also interesting to know that there are no foreign transaction fees. Citi also has a mobile app which can help you manage your accounts when you want, where you want, and the way you want it. This is how Citi Digital Services help you get the most out of your time. For lifestyle, there are a few enjoyments: Citi Entertainment, Citi Travel, Points Transfer, Citi Shop, and Citi FlexPay. For Citi Entertainment, it's an entertainment access program that is available to eligible Citi credit card and Citibank debit card customers. With this, you get special access to purchase tickets to thousands of events, including pre-sale tickets and exclusive experiences to the year's most anticipated concerts, events, and other cultural experiences. And with Citi Travel, you can book flights, hotels, car rentals using your eligible Citi card. There's also Citi Shop, which is the free browser extension available to eligible Citi credit card members that help you save. It automatically searches behind the scenes to find offers and coupons at over 5,000 online merchants. These are incredible features. As a user of the Citi Strata Premier card, you also have access to thank you points. These you can easily redeem online or by calling the thank you service center. Having considered all this, let us talk about the pricing. This card comes with an annual fee of $95. But as I mentioned earlier, the $100 hotel credit once a year, if you're able to use that benefit, then you've already offset the cost of the fee. What are the pros and cons of using this card? First, the pros. Generous multipliers. You can earn 3 times points on everyday categories like groceries, gas, and dining, and also 10 times points on hotels, car rentals, and attractions that are booked through cititravel.com. The $100 annual hotel credits can effectively cancel out the annual fee. There is no foreign transaction fees that are applied, so this is great for international travelers. And on the reward points, there are no expiration and no cap on points. How about the cons? The annual fee is a cost to consider. So if you don't get to book a hotel stay of $500 or more, a single hotel stay, then you cannot benefit from the $100 annual hotel benefits. There are no luxury perks like airport lounge access or premium hotel status. And if you don't travel often, you don't use the bonus categories, the value is limited. So, having considered all this, is Citi Strata Premier Card worth it in 2025? Well, I'd say yes for a large portion of people, and it's a fantastic option. Here's why. The reward structure is excellent. You're not just earning points when you travel, you're also earning on everyday things like groceries, dining, gas, and air travel. Now, as I earlier mentioned, this card is not for everyone, because if you're chasing luxury perks like unlimited lounge access, TSA pre-check credits, or automatic hotel elite status, then you can't get that using this card. But still, I'd consider this card one of the top card picks in 2025 because it balances cost and value beautifully, making it a great long-term keeper card. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore the Citi Strata no fee version, Chase Sapphire Preferred, and Capital One Venture. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.